At Michael's Wholesale Flooring, we care about the quality of our service and value our customers' opinion. Check out this new positive review. We love our new carpet. Not only is the carpet beautiful and great quality, the staff is wonderful to work with. Shane helped us decide the best carpet for our home, an older home with some imperfections on the floor. We also have young children. He helped us to know which carpet was best for us. Unbelievable deal as well. The crew that was sent to our home was the most kind and friendly crew that has ever done any work for us. They did a super quick job, but did it right. I felt at ease having them in my home with my 3 kiddos. We will definitely choose Michael's for all of our carpet needs. Crystal Whitmire. Thank you, Crystal, for leaving a positive review. We strive to provide the best service for our customers. To experience the same excellent service from Michael's Wholesale Flooring, contact us today.